How does a no lock-in plan work at HelloFresh? By subscribing to a HelloFresh plan, you can experience exciting new dishes that are delicious and nutritious. You choose the meals you want, and then HelloFresh delivers fresh, quality ingredients together with recipe cards right to your door. There are new recipes to try each week, including classics with a twist, quick and easy meals, and calorie and carb-smart recipes. Simply sign up online from your computer, phone, or tablet, and you can manage everything from meal choice to number of servings and delivery times. To get started, visit hellofresh.com.au. Click on Our Menus to view the list of delicious recipes coming up. Then, to get started on your order, head to Our Plans. Here, you can enter the number of people you're cooking for and the number of recipes you'd like each week. The weekly price is broken down and the price per serving gets lower the more servings you order. Select your preference from classic, family-friendly, vegetarian, or calorie smart. Next, register a HelloFresh account. Enter your email address and create a password, or choose one of the other options that work for you. From here, select exactly where you want your box delivered, which delivery window suits you, and which date you'd like your first box. Review your details before checking out and enter your promo code if applicable. Securely enter your payment details, and you're ready to start receiving your weekly HelloFresh deliveries. There's no lock-in commitment. Just check how many days you have left to pause or cancel your plan here. Now it's time to select your recipes. To make things easy, you will automatically be given a selection of meals. You can either stick with these or simply add or remove the meals you'd like. When a meal is selected, it'll say In Your Box. You may add additional meals by clicking on Add Extra Meal below the recipe photo. Nutrition information for each recipe can be found by simply clicking on it. This is also featured in each printed recipe card. Hit Save. You can add extras to your order if you wish, including ready-to-heat meals, fruit boxes, or desserts. Once you receive your box, it's your time to shine. You'll soon be preparing and cooking delicious, balanced, and wholesome meals the whole household will love.